Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel.
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.
Whoa, Max, why do you look so smug today? Did you finally solve a math problem?
Ha! Very funny, Lucy. Nope, I just fixed my computer. Honestly, it was a piece of cake.
Wait, what? You ate cake while fixing your computer?
No, Lucy. Piece of cake means it was super easy. You know, no big deal.
Ah, got it. So instead of saying it's easy, you said piece of cake. Clever.
Exactly. Want to hear more?
Of course, this is my jam. Okay, here's one. A walk in the park.
So, like, cooking spaghetti is a walk in the park.
Well, unless you're the one cooking, Max. Remember the spaghetti disaster?
Hey, that was experimental cooking.
Okay. Next phrase. Easy as pie.
Pie. I like this one already. Learning this dance move, easy as pie.
Smooth, Max. Real smooth. That looked harder than easy.
Okay, your turn.
How about no sweat?
Helping Lucy with homework? No sweat.
Max, you sweat even when you open a soda bottle.
True.
Ooh, here's a funny one. Like shooting fish in a barrel.
Who shoots fish in a barrel? Poor fish.
I know, it sounds cruel, but it just means something is ridiculously easy. Like, winning that video game was like shooting fish in a barrel.
Okay, noted. No real fish were harmed in this lesson.
Exactly. Last one. Child's play.
Oh, I like that. Fixing my phone? Child's play.
Max, didn't you cry last time your phone froze?
Lies. All lies.
Okay, let's recap for everyone. Piece of cake. A walk in the park. Easy as pie.
No sweat. Like shooting fish in a barrel. Child's play.
See? So many fun ways to say it's easy.
And now it's your turn.
Yup. Write a sentence using one of these phrases in the comments.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English.
Because learning English with us is always a piece of cake.
Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel.